Okay, this is the new windshield that's specifically designed for the Yamaha FJR 1300. Now I have the 2023 model. I'm trying to replace with this one, and hopefully this new windshield will help to reduce the wind noise, because I'm having issue with my helmet when I put it on, and the wind noise is just too loud to my ears, and it's difficult for me to hear the engine. I would rather hear the engine sound. If something goes wrong with the engine, I can identify right away while riding it. But having so much wind noise, it's kind of hard to listen to the engine noise. So anyway, hopefully that will help. Anyway, yeah, it looks okay. This one is about 4 inches higher than the original Yamaha windshield. Okay, for some reason, these holes, they just do not match with the original holes. Okay, so I have to press down a little bit. Okay, the key is you gotta get these three first to be able to get a strong attachment on this one. You don't have to tight perfectly well. You just at least hold it, three of them. Make sure you get three of them, don't just two, because this plastic, you can anytime they can strip off. Okay, so and then once you get that one lined up, press this one down, and you got a matching hole here. So I think this is about right. Just kind of feel it. Don't over torque it. You feel it, you'll hold it at some point. You will not strip. Okay, here you go. It's clicked down. Let me see the gap here. Alright. It's just a little bit long, a little bit, you know, it's a big gap. Let's see if this one can pull. The edge is lined up correctly, but the gap between this bolt and the bottom plastic is just way too big. We'll see. So let's see, raise it up. So this is the highest setting. It's about 4 inches taller than the stock one. Well, it look good so far. It looks good, and all I need to do is just test ride. Today got a good day here. It's very cold, but I think what 33 degrees, I think. Yeah, it's cold to me, but yeah, it's alright. Still can ride. No complaint about it. It's beautiful weather though. Dry. This is no rain, right? Okay. All right. Bottom line is, I want to show you that I don't even drive it yet. I don't know yet. Okay, but when I see this part is wider. Okay, let me get the new one. Let me get this stock one. So this is the stock one. Okay. The stock one is actually narrower. I don't know, 2 inches, 2.5 inches narrow, or well, this is wider, 2.5 inches maybe, approximately, and taller definitely. They said it's about 4 inches. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. All right. So yeah, so I'm hoping this part, the extra tip here, will protect more air, because the V-string I tried early on, I return it. It actually looks like slim in this area, so the airflow comes here and kind of circle around here. I'm okay with that, but the problem here is I just don't want to feel too much air in this area. If I need more air, I'll lower it down, right? So, and I raise all the way up, it's just like way too high. I got this one because I watch this gentleman's channel, Quentin's Motovlog. You guys can check his. Nice gentleman. I had a communication with him several times, and he told me he liked this one a lot since I had a problem with the V-string. So well, might as well return and replace with this one. So yeah, this one overall it looks like stock design, although it has more wings here, but hey, it's perfect to me. And wider up here, so I can pretty much assume that the airflow will be much better because it's taller. I'm going to push all the way up to my helmet and protect more in this area, so less circulation of airflow in this tank and handlebar. So now I can hear maybe better on the engine rather than the wind noise. I'll test today. I will ride it today, and then hopefully I get a good result on that one. And so far I'm happy. I'm gonna keep this one. Yeah, look forward. I'll let you guys know. Thank you. He just came back from test ride, and I can tell you I'm completely happy with the results of the protections from the wind. I mean, the overall is good, and the height is at 22 inches high, which is tall. And the previous one I had, it was 23.5. I'm sure you can get 22, and make sure you get the right parts number, because I believe they have 22 as well. But anyway, yeah, this one is really good. So I just need to adjust the height and to be able to play with the height itself, so that I can find which settings that really fits well to my riding style. So if I raise all the way up and actually just right on my eye, I heard some people from YouTube saying that they don't like it. I agree. I mean, I may not like it much, but I don't want to make it a big deal because it's all up to me. I can adjust my body a little bit higher if I sit a little bit higher and straight up, and I can see above the shield. If I kind of lower down a little bit and I can see through it, or simply just like maybe half an inch lower, and it should be fine. Okay, so that's not a big issue for me. The bottom line is the protection of the wing itself, that it helps quite a bit. That is looking to fulfill what I'm looking to accomplish. Yeah, so it's all good. Now you have options and choices to make, and you don't have to stress out too much and know which one is better for you, etc. But I can tell you that the V-Stream, they both are great products. V-Stream is the shape itself, which is all right, but the shape itself that allows the airflow to the different direction and kind of give the certain airflow in between tank and the handlebars. But the Puig, this one is different. It's bigger in the bottom, wider, so it doesn't give the airflow in between that. So yeah, point here is I want to be able to hear the engine sound rather than hear the wind noise. So yeah, that's important to me. So anyway, well, hopefully this one helped. Oh, by the way, I'm 5'8", so anyone that 5'9" should be no issue, and then anything less than 5'8" is gonna be completely fine as well. But you can lower down the windshield and should be okay, or you can fully raise up and you can see through the windshield. That's perfectly fine. All right then, so good. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Take care. Bye.